Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SuperRare for artist profiles and sales easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for SuperRare. Press the enter key to navigate to the SuperRare homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to a login screen. Here, you will see options to enter your email and password. If you already have an account, type your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After entering your email and password, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your artist profile dashboard. If needed, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. From this dashboard, you can manage your art, profile, and sales settings. If you are a new artist, consider signing up for an account instead. To sign up, click on the Sign Up link available on the login screen. Follow the prompts to create your artist profile and start showcasing your work. Once logged in, you can explore options for listing. Ensure that you follow SuperRare's guidelines for uploading your artwork. Now you are ready to start your journey as an artist on SuperRare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.